Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can scan QR codes in your OnePlus Nord 3. So in the first step, open the camera app, and now we have two methods to scan the QR codes. The first one is by opening the Google Lens. Now tap on the blue button and add a permission. Now just show the QR code to your device. That was the first method. Now the second one, a little bit easier. Just tap on the 3D button, choose settings, then look for the QR code scanning. Just switch it on, go back to the camera and show the QR code to your device. And as you can see, the address appears automatically, and now you can tap on it to open the QR code address in the camera directly, in the web browser directly from the camera app. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like, comment, and goodbye.